All right, so I think the next step I want to do is I want to add some circular text that maybe goes around this. So let's go ahead and address that. Uh, I'm going to look at it from a top view for the moment, I think. I'm going to push Shift A and add a curve, and I'll select a circle. The circle's really big, so down here, let's make this, I'm just going to type in 1. Let's see what that does for us. Where is my circle? There it is. Uh, I'll go with that for the moment. Next thing that I'm going to do is, again, I will add, instead of a curve this time, we'll add some text. And that's rather big too, so I'm going to just do that as something fairly small, zero point 0.5. I think that'll work. And then what I'll do is on the text, well, let's actually, I've got the text selected. Let's tab into that and type something in. All right. Uh, I'm going to go back into object mode. And I think I'll add a modifier. And there's a curve modifier under deform. And if I go ahead and I select the circle that I have in place, we now see that it goes right to it. Let me just get a top view here. And okay, that's not too shabby. I do have to, I do have a little bit of thinking to do here, but let's see here. I think the circle. Let's see if I can't just scale that up a bit. See what that does for us. Okay, yeah, I think that gets us in the ballpark. So now, if I am, if I go ahead and I tab into this, I should be able to do actually a few different things. If I grab the text, for example, I should be able to move it just by grabbing the red grab arrow and move it where I want. So that's cool. If I grab the green, I think I get it moving like inward or outward. So that's something worth noting as well. Maybe in this case, I'll just move it in slightly. If I want to have this text on the bottom, one thing I think I can do is if I go into edit mode and I think I need to have my, under the viewport shading, the handles for curve edit mode checked, if I recall correctly. And then under segments, I can switch direction. And we'll now see that the lettering is now showing going the opposite way. So that being the case, if I'm looking at my text, let's go back and do object mode for the moment, shall we? And if I select my text and now move it around, we can get it at the bottom rather than the top. Let's move that out a little bit. And voila, we have some text. I've got it down here. We'll move that around and do some things to solidify it, but we'll deal with that at a different time.